to go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
Well, I'm about to add some more wheels to the collection so it can collect dust, because it seems like that's all I do. I buy stuff so it collect dust. All my bills, I haven't done nothing to it because I'm working on everybody else's stuff. But this year here, it's gonna be my time. I know everybody haven't seen my Tiara grill. Gotta go back a lot of different videos to see. I got this for the Landau. You can see how it's collecting dust here. Just like these Ruccis here. I done had these probably about 3 years. Never been mounted. Prix ones, wheel woods, Dakota digital. I just got stuff all over the place. Haven't got time around to my stuff, but I'm about to go pick up some more wheels for the OBS, some 26s. But this time, I'm not gonna let my project just push to the side. The OBS gonna be my next, well, it's gonna be the first thing that I do. Because the Landau, I'm gonna do a frame off, so that's gonna take some time. But the OBS, I should be able to knock that out in a couple of months. So we finna hit this road and go pick them up. Then I'll cut you back on once we make it back. I'll show you what they look like. Well, I'll probably show you what they look like once I get there, but once I bring them back to the storage, we'll unbox them.
Like and subscribe.
I'll put your information down in the description for like your YouTube channel. Okay. And your I guess your you know, you want your number on there too?
Yeah, that's fine.
You know, cause some people don't want their number, cause you know a lot of folks be.
Or you can hit my just hit me up on Messenger too. Well, I prefer to probably just use.
Send them a text,
yeah.
a text or something. Yeah.
A text, yeah.
Cause some folks just be wanna wonder shop.
Oh yeah, man.
Waste your time. Yeah, and don't be wanting to get no work done. Yeah, he said this here got low miles and everything on it.
You do, man. It's a old granny.
Yeah.
Out here, man. You talking about clean, bro? Man, look how clean this car is, man.
It came from Alabama or?
Yeah, from down this way.
Man, look at the seats.
Clean, bro.
This can't be no 70. Look,
know, right?
they couldn't have sat in this here. Yeah, this clean here.
I think at one time.
These about like my wheels here. They look somewhat like my wheels.
Oh, here go your wheels too, right here, Spray.
Yeah.
Hey, them some bad boys too, bro.
Yeah. I just seen the picture of them.
Yeah. Let's open, let you check them out.
Yeah.
I got the one on the bottom.
Yeah, the big.
I guess dude had opened them to make sure that was what they put in.
Mm-hmm. The big lip.
Yeah.
I ain't realize they was that big though. The box.
These ones are fine.
I think this the small lip here.
Yeah, that's the front.
Yeah.
You want to see the?
Yeah, everybody want to see the big lip.
Back,
yeah, that's the front there.
He's probably back right here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, cause the box is bigger. Yeah, I'm gonna put them on the OBS out there.
That's what I'm putting together.
You got an OBS too, don't you? Yeah. Francis said you had one.
I'm waiting on dude to hit me.
Is it
my truck, man?
What you getting done to it?
Getting it painted.
Oh, you getting it painted? What color you getting it painted?
Like a North Carolina blue.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
There you go, y'all.
That's a bad boy.
Man, in person,
that's
it's
a 9-inch lip. Ooh wee.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna get them on there though.
That thing going hard right there, bro.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to do some suspension work.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
But I'm gonna do it all myself though.
You probably do a mini tub, move your tub, make your tub wider in the back too. Which would be easy on that truck.
Yeah, it's gonna be easy. That's why. Yeah.
Look,
Cause I'm gonna take the bed off. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I can take the bed off.
Good.
I'll probably do
watch the frame.
a 4-link suspension. Or I might do a 3-link. I don't know. I ain't decided yet.
4-link is the best.
Think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been looking at.
It's hard to be 4-link, bro.
Yeah, I ain't gonna be really doing no racing. I just want to get them up under there, you know.
Oh yeah.
No, because I know I'm gonna have to take them leaf springs out in order to get them.
The backspace, they gonna go up under there. I think your thing is, what is?
I think the leaf spring's gonna be in the way though.
How wide? That's what I was finna say.
Yeah.
The leaf spring might have to be moved in the back.
Yeah, so
a couple inches.
I'd rather just go on and remove the leaf springs and just do some coilovers and, you know, maybe a 4-link.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do.
You can leave your leaf spring. You just move them in and get you some good shocks and stuff to go on there. You can
I ain't think about that.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I'm gonna tell you, that backspace here, that don't look like it's about
a 2
a 2 or 3 inch backspace
2
on
inch.
the back. So all your wheel is gonna be coming out.
Yeah, anything heavy.
Wheel, man.
You know what the part?
That's what I mean.
This the heaviest part, the face.
Oh, so
yeah,
solid.
No, it spin, but
it's probably the weight.
Yeah.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah. You can't spin it from the outside. You gotta, like when the wheels spin, it spin.
That's slick right there, man.
Yeah, a lot of folks be trying to spin it.
The caps, yeah.
You used to.
What's the name of them right there though? These.
Hold up. Let me think. The Rucci ONEWAY.
ONEWAY.
Yeah.
Yeah, them
I picked them out and can't even remember what what's the name. Load up the Ruccis now.
What up, y'all? My nephew, yeah. He talking about, man, they called me because I just, I built him a little S10 where he be racing and shit. Okay. And he just came, took it home the other day.
Them good trucks to build a race in, ain't
They is, man. They light too, like a little Mustang. Oh shit. They're heavy, boy.
I know. I ain't realized that these boxes were this big.
Yeah.
We done made it back, but it's raining on us. Well, it's sprinkling. It ain't actually raining. Yeah, I know the OBS look a mess. I still haven't washed it. Probably don't plan on washing it till I set it to the side, start working on it. I got some door pins, but I got them the first day that I bought it because I knew they was bad. I just ain't installed them. Just can't find time, work on my stuff, my own stuff. But we gonna get these wheels off and I'll open them up, show you the steering wheel. And well, I might as well put them on the side of the truck. Give you somewhat of an idea what it's gonna look like. Here's the front wheel. Here's the back. They're front, they're for the other side. This the front to the mate, the wheel that's on the truck. Floating centerpiece with the steering wheel. I also got some posters. Got quite a few on. I want y'all to get in the comment section. Let me know which wheel y'all like out of all these here. The Cut It, Taste. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Millerado, I don't know. Don't give me the line. The Rolling, Memphis, Posse, Butter, the Bet, Torture, Insane, Shady, Rafika, I guess that's how you pronounce it. Slice, Bags, Heffy, Crown, Ditto, Dime, the Slick, Gorilla, Flip, or the Tabs, I guess it's, I don't know. But y'all let me know which ones y'all like. They ain't even got my wheel on here. But let me tell you the specs on them. The front wheel is a 26x9 with a 3-inch lip. 26x9, 3-inch lip. And the back wheel is a 26x12, 9-inch lip. The back wheel is a 3-piece. The reason why it's a 3-piece because of the 9-inch lip. But once I get it, I'll show you how the 3-piece look for us the barrel. 5x127, 1990 Chevy C10 1500. I'ma set the wheels on the side of the truck. See what it's gonna look like before I mount the tires. Okay, here we go. Oh, let me show you for us the lip. Not the lip, but the 2-piece and 3-piece. This a 2-piece, 26x9. We got the barrel, it's all 1 piece, the front and back, and the lip. Let's make it 2-piece. But on this back one, it's a 3-piece. We got the front barrel and the back barrel. The reason why it's a 3-piece because the front lip's so big. We got a 9-inch front barrel and a 3-inch in the back, so they make it a 26x12, 9-inch lip in the front. But I think it's gonna look real nice. What y'all think? I know, don't talk about me. I know I ain't washed the truck. Don't plan on washing it till I start working on it. But y'all tell me what color y'all think I should go with. I ain't decided on the color yet. I probably won't decide on it until the day I start painting. What y'all think will go good with this brush rose gold? With these 9-inch lips. What y'all think? Y'all let me know now. I got the tires on the inside. I'll probably mount the tires maybe in a couple days, and once I do, I'm gonna make another video. I'll probably get the tires mounted, then I'll do a test fit on the truck, which I already know this back, it's gonna stick out. I'm gonna have to shorten my rear end, and I'm also gonna have to probably do a small little mini tube on the back here. I'm gonna do a 4-link suspension because these leaf springs gonna be in the way. But I'm gonna do all that myself. I'm gonna have videos on it. So I got plenty of content to bring y'all. Let me take you in here and show you these tires. Let me open up this door. Yeah, I had the tires, I think, right when I ordered them. But once the door started moving, I'll show you what I got. Because I know it's making a lot of noise. You might can't hear me. Alright. I was going to go with some Lake Sunnies like I did on my other Ruccis over there, 26s. But I didn't want no small tire because I'm going to be doing a lot of traveling. I'm going to be on the highway in this OBS here, going to all kind of car shows. It's not going to be no trailer. But I went with some 295s, 295 30R26s. I didn't want to go too skinny and not too big because I like skinny tires, but they look good. But I don't want to be on the highway because it'd be a lot of potholes on them interstates. That's what I went with, the full-way 295 30R26s. There go my G-body. I'm a G-body man too. Ain't no telling when I'm gonna get on that. And this is my boat. I'm gonna be pulling the boat with the OBS. Believe it or not. Let me take you up here and show you. Yeah, Sprayway do like to fish. When I'm not working, I do a lot of fishing. So I might have to paint the boat the same color the OBS. What y'all think? I'm gonna cut you back on though when I get these tires mounted, and then we'll do a test fit. Y'all stay tuned. Which one y'all choosing? The brush rose gold or the brush?
Stop. Right from the bottom to the top, from the ground up. We never stop. Right from the